Data scientists. Mastering business principles is essential. The realm of data science education has expanded beyond conventional classrooms, with online data science degree programs and specialized courses gaining prominence. The evolving role of data scientists in business. The evolving role of data scientists in the business landscape reflects a paradigm shift in the way organizations leverage data for strategic decision-making. Innovative data science programs. A closer look. Programs offered by institutions such as Scalar, Upgrad, and Great Learning are at the forefront of this evolution, presenting unique features that set them apart in the field of data science education. Realizing the impact. Success stories of business-savvy data scientists. Realizing the impact of mastering business principles within the realm of data science becomes palpable when examining success stories of business-savvy data scientists. Conclusion. In conclusion, the narrative of data scientists mastering business principles is essential, reveals the dynamic evolution of the data science landscape and the pivotal role played by individuals proficient in both technical expertise and business acumen.